girls, I hope you are doing great. Today I want to talk a little bit about a brand new brand that I'm very excited for. As you all know, I love cruelty-free makeup, and my favorite piece of makeup is always lipstick. It's all about the lips for me. I'm super excited about this brand because it's easily found at your local Target, Bed Bath & Beyond, CVS, and it is so clean and the packaging is so cute. The packaging reminds me of something fun and summery, but also super high-end. And the formulas are really good. They have everything from lip scrubs to balms to lipsticks with like a little bit of color on them to what I'm wearing on my lips, which is their matte lipstick, and it is gorgeous. It comes in a tube so that you can leave it in your car and just touch up on the go, especially now that we're all wearing masks. I think having a really good lipstick that stays put is super important. This one stays totally put. The color is vibrant and beautiful. I love that I can line my lips with it because it is liquid, like I said. A couple of the other products that I really love that are a little bit more casual and can just be thrown on. I love their lip gloss. I have this really pretty pink one in the color Forever Young. Absolutely gorgeous. They also have a plumping gloss, which is so nice. It fills in the ridges in your lips and just gives you that really plumped look. This one's really great. It's really hard to find cruelty-free lip plumpers, so I love that. This is a really cool lipstick with like a little bit of Barely There color in this really cool shape. Like I said, the packaging is really impressive on these. Very stunning. And last but not least, in the color department, they also have this lip mask, and it's in this really pretty pink color, and it's called Rose. I loved their packaging so much, you guys, that I ended up keeping the little box, and I end up keeping all of my Lique products in the box that one of the products came in. It's so sturdy and so well made. I'm going to share 3 more products with you. This one is great for every day. It's a really pretty balm with a tiny bit of color on it. And I'm actually featuring this one on the blog. This is what I was wearing in all my blog photos. Super easy on the run, throw it in your purse type color. And then when it comes to lip care, I've been loving their conditioning scrub. It is a really great formulation. Another product that I really love by them is their lip butter. I love keeping this on my nightstand. It is this really cool, almost golden color, and it is so soft, you guys. It is so conditioning. And my lips are tend to get really dry, especially because I'm running the heat a lot because it's been colder here in California. So this is perfect for on my nightstand. I just want to give you a little rundown on the brand. It's special for a lot of reasons. Obviously, like I mentioned, it's cruelty-free, which is huge for lip products because it's on your lips, you're gonna lick it, you're gonna ingest it. So if you can get something that doesn't have a lot of chemicals and is clean and good for you, then all the million times better, right? Second thing I love about Lique is that they only use natural ingredients. You can have brands that feature cruelty-free items, but the ingredients are not natural. They're still chemicals and a lot of different compounds in them. This is made with all natural ingredients. And then third, which is really amazing, I am a girl's girl. I love to support girls. I love supporting small businesses. And so this brand is also really special because it is created by women. So the entire creative team is all women. It is made for women by women, and I absolutely love that. So like I said earlier, you can find these Lique products at your local Target. That's where I've seen mine. I have not popped into a Bed Bath & Beyond yet to check them out, but I know they're also available at CVS. So if you find Lique products in store, snag them and let me know how you like them. I think you will be a fan just like I am. Bye.